We're going to put these bikes against each other. This homemade bike for £800 and this shop-bought bike for £1,000 from Amazon. We're going to see which one's fastest off the line, see which one's fastest top speed, see how they feel to ride, and see which one's fastest around this track. And then we'll see which is the better bike, the homemade bike or the shop-bought bike. Let's do this. We're going to start with to see which one's quicker off the line. Let's do this.
Let's go, man.
3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, go. Now let's see which bike has the best top speed. Starting with the homemade bike. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Perfect.
29, 30, 30. I think the top speed of this bike is 30. So now let's go see how fast the Amazon bike goes. Now let's see how fast the Amazon £1,000 bike goes. Let's do this. 20 miles an hour, 25, 26, 27. Oh, it looks like it's just stopped out at 27. Oh, it's dropping back down. So now we're going to see how the bike actually feels. So this one is not too bad, but when you sit down, it's a bit small. But it's got no back suspension, so it's quite hard when you're going over grass to ride and bumps. So now let's see how that other one feels. So this bike don't feel too bad off-road, because it's actually got a back suspension. But that one is sketchy. Now we're going to see which is the fastest bike around this track, starting with the homemade bike of £800. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Whoa, sketchy. This is proper sketchy, this. Whoa. Let's go. Whoa, we're getting 28 there, man. Slow down a bit. Woo. Down inside. Go, go, go. Let's go. Let's go. Whoa! The time was 33:88. So now let's see if we can beat it on the shop-bought bike. So now let's see if this Amazon £1,000 bike is quicker round this track than the homemade bike. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, coming up to the corner. Woohoo. This one doesn't feel so sketchy because it wheels. Oh, I'm getting more speed round that corner then. Let's go. Come on, big speed round this corner. More people there. Go. Let's go. Come on, let's see what time we get. Over at line. Now let's see what time it was. 43:28. So the homemade bike was quicker. In the comments below, let me know what bike you thought were better or which one you would buy or build. So thanks for watching and peace out.